Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to laptops or just looking for an easy-to-use, budget-friendly option, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 best laptops for beginners, perfect for students, work, or everyday use. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest laptop reviews. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 1, we have the Dell Inspiron 14 Plus 2025. If you want a laptop that truly does it all and does it well, the Dell Inspiron 14 Plus is the one to beat. This laptop nails the essentials with style, speed, and stamina. It's a top pick for anyone who needs dependable performance without being tethered to an outlet all day. The 14-inch form factor also hits the sweet spot between portability and screen space, making it perfect for either work or play. One of the biggest selling points is the seriously impressive 17-hour battery life. Whether it's a long study session or a long workday, this laptop will power along with you. And with a price tag around $1,000, it delivers incredible value for the performance you're getting. Beyond the long battery life, the 14-inch 2560x1600 display comes with an anti-glare coating and a peak brightness of 418 nits, making it comfortable to use in different lighting environments. Next up at number 2, the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED. Anyone would be happy with the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED. It nails the vital aspects, especially in the display and battery departments. The 14-inch 1920-1200 OLED panel is deliciously vivid, delivering rich colors and deep contrast, which is great for creators and editors. It's also fast, thanks to the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor and lightweight 2.82 pounds, and the 75 watt-hour battery churned out 17 hours of charge. That's not bad for the $850 price tag. It's a fantastic notebook that would work great for anyone, especially if you want vivid visuals from an OLED panel. Taking the number 3 spot is the best budget laptop. The Acer Aspire Go 15 is the must-have laptop for budget-conscious buyers that just need the basics. The Intel Core i3-N305 processor handles everyday tasks like browsing and word processing with ease. Battery life is also close to 12 hours on a single charge. The appeal mostly lies in its value, though. While more expensive laptops nail the polish and the speed, the budget variety is strictly about what's functional, and that's exactly what you're getting here. It's a good option for students or anyone seeking a reliable, no-frills machine under $500. You'll also find a surprisingly generous port selection on the Acer Aspire Go 15 USB-A on both sides, a USB-C, an HDMI, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Kensington lock. That's more than what some laptops get twice the price. Coming in at number 4 is the Lenovo ThinkPad T14's Gen 6. The Lenovo ThinkPad T14's Gen 6 is a great option for anyone who needs a reliable, long-lasting laptop. Weighing just 2.66 pounds and offering an incredible battery life of nearly 24 hours, it's ideal for people who are always on the move. Plus, with a Snapdragon X Elite processor running the show, it offers the perfect blend of portability, endurance, and capable everyday performance. The build quality is also standout, with the chassis being notably sturdy, and the keyboard offers a delightfully tactile typing experience. ThinkPads are known for. And number 5, the Asus Chromebook Plus CX34. The Asus Chromebook Plus CX34 is great for everyday users looking for a reliable yet stylish device. It stands out as the best overall Chromebook because it offers a harmonious marriage of performance, design, and affordability. Inside, you'll find an Intel Core i5-335U processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of SSD storage. In other words, it efficiently handles everyday tasks. The 14-inch 1080p display delivers sharp visuals, and the laptop includes a 1080p webcam for those web conferencing calls. The Cheek Pearl colorway also adds a nice touch of elegance, making it suitable for personal or professional environments. And that's our list. Be sure to check the link description below for the latest price and availability. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, Subscribe for more laptop reviews and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.